looks good as
Yo,
fuck.
Gene.
What is that? Guess what is off cooldown?
Never trust cloud.
That thing that I'm about to add to as a 60-second cooldown. Yo, Gene, it's a Korean chicken bowl with tater tots and kimchi mac and cheese. Yo, what did I just hear? Was that me or was that you?
60 seconds. That is awesome.
60
Why
minutes.
never trust Microsoft?
A clear line? Is it your ULT?
Your ult.
I swear to
This
God,
is
every
me
time we
after
look in the
seeing
sink,
camels
it's a
sink
different
while
color.
Scrub Daddy is drowning in filth.
I'm telling you, dude, I haven't added that many things to it, but it's just changing colors. I think it's like,
NTITY.
it's adapting on its own.
Uh-huh. Evolution in action right there.
Yeah, it's literally evolving live
Oh shit.
on camera.
Oh shit, Cole just redeemed end stream.
Bye bye.
All right, somebody steal those points, dude. Dude, I'm literally gonna add the end stream as non-refundable. All right, I think this is ready for the picture, dude. Now that it's extra cold. Let me see.
Oh no, don't make an end stream.
I do wish I had some of those crispy onions.
At Misty Rain, he will never. That's why I use it LMAO.
LMAO.
Oh shit. I do have to say though, the end stream. Oh shit. The end stream.
Before it's too
True,
late.
and
The joke of the end stream is supposed to be like.
that's true, and yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Like how
That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean,
Like Radiv has had enough points to end the stream for months, but she always just threatens me with
my
it
battery too
instead of actually
fast.
redeeming it.
But you used up so much of your Michelin points.
I never want stream to end as well. I love it here.
What do you say, CM? Microsoft Xbox Cloud Gaming sucks ass.
Pre-cum patties.
Dude, Bumpy.
I told you I
Bumpy,
have
we-
nothing better to do, so I don't end it.
Whatever, Radiv.
Rawdiv has the most in mine too.
Bumpy, you literally missed the calf check earlier, dude.
At Misty Rain, Nightbot didn't call LMAO. Yeah.
Oh damn.
Bumpy.
Whoa, kill Jack to the VOD later, lol. Oh.
Did anybody get a
Is
clip?
there a ferret update?
Yeah, there's a ferret update in the Discord, dude. Oh shit, I dropped that one. There's a ferret update in the Discord.
Het OBO has liggen streepje fix that shit.
What is Discord? Hello.
Yo, Doge. What's up, Doge? You fuck with kimchi mac and cheese, Doge? I think I need to like maybe put some spring onions.
Purebred Doge.
Some of these fucking like
Oh, like the white parts.
the limp ass spring onions. I just need something on the side.
Right.